give a Scarlet Macaw to someone.
Just a random person. And I do have the Scarlet Macaw right here.
So write down your username.
It's 25. And I'm
look,
still sick.
I love the Scarlet Macaw because you get the bird mutation.
Very low chance for it to actually give the mutation though. 8%. 8% though. That's rare.
I put the monkeys just to hide the chance.
I didn't get a single.
Bro, it's 18% for me. Because I placed the monkeys. The monkeys super good.
I got a single admin mutation the other day on an actual bone blossom.
I did not get
kidding?
anything at my mutation, bro. What does your garden look like? A mess.
Nah, bro. Go in the middle. That's the worst part.
That's the reason. Jackpot, bro.
Jackpot's not bad.
Jackpot, I like it because of the Robux. Oh, boitos. Okay.
What fruit is this? Oh,
Bro, why does the garden look like? Oh, at least it has a pet.
I had a dream where we got the candy blossom seed.
Bro, do you remember that?
Okay, well, he has to go study, so I'm gonna cut the video.